So we're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a Bradford White 50-gallon power vent water heater out in the garage here. And so starting from the top, we had some trouble with this pipe right here. It was leaking. And so we just took it out, put a new one in, gave you a shutoff valve, brass nipple, Falcon stainless steel connector, down to a brass extension. Over on the hot side, we give you a shutoff valve as well. It's not required, but we wanted to get the water back onto the home. And so we just put a valve on there. And then same thing, brass, and then stainless steel down to brass. So all new water connectors. Is going to flow really well. The blower portion right here, you can see it's schedule 40 PVC. It's DWV, and it's just got one long sweep 90 to 22, and then it's back graded downhill. And so maybe 2 feet of pipe, and then the fittings they count as maybe 5 feet or something. I don't know. And then 22. But so very short vent run. We did give you a new outlet up here, and so you've got this was the existing receptacle, and what we did is we just put a surface mount box in there and tied in and ran some conduit up and over, and gave you another outlet right here so you can get this plugged in. It's got a long cord, but we didn't want to stretch it across the top of the doorway. If you look at the pipe from back here, it appears that over the door it's crooked. You can see it's real close to the right side of the door, but not the left side. Well, we measured from the ceiling down, so our pipe from the ceiling down is straight, but the door is crooked. So they got it mounted in there kind of cockeyed, which is no big deal, but and then put the trim on. You can see the trim's a little higher on this side than it is the other, but it just makes it look pretty far off. And so anyways, electrical's in, got it plugged in, got it running, relief valve installed at the factory, and then a brass nipple Falcon stainless steel connector down to the existing relief line, which dumps out in the backyard. Adjustable strap on the upper third, adjustable strap on the lower third, brand new gas valve, brand new gas connector. And so it's running right now. We got it heating to approximately 120 degrees. We recommend leaving it at 120. You can certainly lower it. We have our water heater. It's a tankless, but we have it set at 115. It's perfect for most situations. But anyways, the burner is lit. You probably be a couple hours, and then you'll have a full tank of hot water. I know you don't need that yet, but anyways, everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.